Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today I have the October Look Fantastic box, so let's get inside and see what we've got. So right off the bat, let me tell you, this was gifted to me. This is my second month with Look Fantastic. Month one, they knocked it out of the park. I can't wait to get in here and see what we've got in here. Before we get started, if you have any interest, I will put my link below, and with that link, they are offering me the same offer this month to give to you guys that they gave me last month. The first 20 people that sign up using my link below will get the first month of a 3-month subscription free. So it is $18 a month, so you will get an $18 box free, and then you will just pay the $18 for the other 2 boxes. So for $36, you will get 3 of these Look Fantastic boxes. We're gonna get in here and see what I've got, but first, let's talk about the box. Look Fantastic is just like GlossyBox. They do really heavy, thick, nice boxes. These are so useful. I keep the boxes to store makeup in. I just love them. When we open that lovely box up, this is what the inside looks like. We have our pamphlet that will tell us all about our products and pretty packaging. I just love the care that both Look Fantastic and GlossyBox take in their boxes. Very loud. Open it up. Look how full it is of goodies. Oh my goodness. It is so full of goodies. All right, let's see what October is all about. Look Fantastic Beauty Box. Edit. The Retreat Edition. It says on here it is the September 2020 box. Interesting. I will have to look further. Inside, they give us a really great information about all of the products that are in here. And then in the back, they focus even more on each of the brands. That's really neat. Because Look Fantastic in the UK is like a major makeup retailer, so they tell us other good things in the back. Right, digging right in on top, I have a Star Skin Eye Catcher Smoothing Biocellulose Eye Mask. And that is what that looks like. Okay, and the paper says that it has a £4 25 value, or 25 pence. Any way you look at it, £4, 25, I'm gonna say cents. Brighten and rejuvenate your eye area with your eye mask, designed to visibly reduce puffiness and the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and dark circles. Yes, I will use anything. I know a lot of people worry about wrinkles. I worry about wrinkles, but I worry more about dark circles. I really have genetic dark circles. Well, and I also don't sleep, but that's a whole nother story. All right, we're reaching in next. Ooh, this is heavy. Bubble Tea Earl Grey Bath Tea. It's like bath salts, but it is so heavy. After a long day, fill your tub with the delicious sweet citrus aromas of this quintessentially British tea. I love Earl Grey. The smell of the bergamot, so good. Containing 100 grams of tea-infused bath salts, relax and enjoy this exclusive bath time treat. And the paperwork, not that I didn't just tell you all about it, but the paperwork says that it's worth £5.99, and it says this innovative bath product provides a delicious scent when dropped into warm running water and is formulated to relieve any aches and pains for the ultimate relaxing treat. Excellent. I will definitely be using that. Next, I have a Balance Me Bakuchiol Soothing Serum. Well, we are definitely going to have to read and see what that means. This says, Balance Me Bakuchiol Serum, worth £11. Bakuchiol is a 100% natural plant-based retinol alternative, providing all the anti-aging benefits without the irritation and sensitivity. The result? Smoother skin texture, enhanced collagen production, and the reduction of fine lines and wrinkles. I am so trying this. You guys know I don't use retinol or any of the vitamin A retinol products, so I love that this is an alternative to that. Let's put a little bit on the back of my hand and see what it feels like. It's just a nice light cream. So even though it came out like a cream, it feels exactly like a serum. It just has a nice kind of skincare scent. Do you guys know what I mean when I say that? It just smells nice, like skincare. It doesn't smell floral or musky or any of that. It just is a nice skincare tone. And it is totally absorbing. I love the idea of being able to use something that's anti-aging but not retinol. And next I have a By Terry. It looks like it's gonna be a lippy, let's see. Bombay and Cedar. Well, we're gonna have to read more. I have wanted to try By Terry. I have a couple of YouTube girlfriends that really like the By Terry, and I have never tried it, so I am happy to do that. And that is what that looks like. Let's read about it. This says that it has a 14-pound value, and this friendly version of By Terry's signature lip balm combines luxury and protection, infused with shea butter, rose flower wax, and vitamin E, it glides onto the lips effortlessly whilst providing a subtle shine, perfect for on-the-go nourishment. All right, well, let's put a little bit over my lips. I've had these on, I'm making several videos today, so I've had these lips on for a little while, and my lips are starting to feel dry, so let's do that. Oh, you can smell the rose. For those of you who don't love rose, I can absolutely smell the rose in this. I like that. That feels so good, especially over that dried down matte lippy. That feels so, so good. And I love, look how tight a point that comes to. I have started telling you guys in my videos that I have really small lips, you know, especially out here at the edges. And that makes it so much easier for me with my thin lips to not go amok. Yay, I like that a lot. Reaching in next, I have something huge. It is from Glove, and it is the Glove and Relax Soft Hair Wrap Super Absorbent Hair Towel, Shorter Drying Time. So this is one of those ones that you can tie up on top of your head. Let's see what it feels like. Ooh. Oh, it feels soft like a teddy bear. You know, I expected it to have more of a, you know, the polyester feel that they usually have. This is like super soft. It says Glove on it. I mean, it feels like a teddy bear. The inside, oh, the inside is even, can you guys see? I hope you can see that it's like teddy bear fabric. I am anxious to see how this works, and I will be trying it to find out. If you have never used one of these, what you do is you take the bigger portion and you put it on your head like that, and then you twist this and you tuck it back, and there's a button that you can button in the back. This is so soft, guys. I can't even imagine how it dries your hair, but I will be finding out and letting you guys know. Also, with this new filming setup that I have up here, it has freed up my other phone for downstairs. I'm going to start doing my Instagram more for like reviews. So I can be like, hey guys, remember last week when I tried it? And I'm gonna start doing more of that. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, be sure and go over and follow me on Instagram. Glove Hair Wrap, 14 pounds, 99 cents. Suitable for all hair types, this Glove hair towel is made from innovative microfiber technology that is more gentle than regular cotton towels. It's the hair care accessory you didn't know you needed. Ideal for drying hair overnight, locking in hair masks, and significantly reducing drying time. Drying hair overnight. Yeah, I think if I tied my hair up and kept it, I don't think my hair would dry. I'm just gonna go ahead and take a minute that I got it back in that bag. Just gonna brag on myself for a second. Okay, last but not least, I have an overnight foot cream from eCooking. Oh, I have had this. I actually have a balm of theirs that I got, I wanna say in a FabFitFun edit sale that I have had just tucked away, and it has started getting cold here and my hands are rough. And it's really thick, so I've been scraping it and kind of moisturizing it into the back of my hands at bedtime, and it's making a huge difference. Let's see what this looks like. Oh, this is actually a cream. You can see that it's just a cream, and that's what it looks like on top. Let's get a little bit and put it on the back of my hand. And it's just kind of thick. And oh, it's very thick, but it thins out nicely. It feels like it's probably gonna, of course this is supposed to be on my feet. It's gonna be the nicest foot hand in town. Oh, it smells, wow. I just took a big old whiff of that. That smells like it should be on my feet, not my hand. I'm gonna take this off in just a second. It smells like Vicks Vapor Rub, kind of like menthol. Let's read about it and see what they say. Probably first rule, don't put it on your hands. This is the eCooking Overnight Foot Cream, 8 pounds, 10 cents. Working its magic whilst you sleep, this eCooking foot cream removes dead skin and moisturizes all at once with a refreshing eucalyptus scent and menthol to soothe and cool the skin. Oh, I do. I was gonna say, I don't smell eucalyptus. As it dries down, you can smell the eucalyptus. The powerful hit of the menthol goes away. Oh, that smells really nice. And they say for maximum effectiveness, apply it and put socks on. I will definitely use this. My feet can use all the love they get. I am constantly barefoot, so my feet just dry out. This box had a $58.33 value. You, in theory, paid $18 for it. And it was gifted to me for my completely honest opinion, which you just got. I like it. I can't wait to put this teddy bear on my head. And I have been wanting to try the By Terry, and an alternative to retinol sounds very exciting to me. And who doesn't need a nice tea bath while sipping tea and wearing eye masks? This box really worked for me. Again, I will put my link below if you have any interest at all. It will get you your first box free if you buy a 3-month subscription. So it will be a 3-month subscription for $36 since it's normally $18 a month, but you're gonna get the first month free. And after the first 20 boxes are taken, from then on, your first box is 50% off. Okay, let me know below what you guys think about this box. I know I like it, but let me know what you think. Thank you so much for coming by and spending the time with me today. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and I will see you really soon. Take care, guys.